Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Beyond Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in beyondbank.com.au and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Beyond Bank. Now, in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner, and this will then take you into the login portal. Now, once you're inside the login portal, you will be asked to enter your membership number followed by your password. So just go ahead and type in your membership number followed by your password, and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Beyond Bank. In case you forgot your password, just go ahead and click on the Forgot Your Password button and you will be able to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Beyond Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.